Welcome back to HowCar USA, where we don't just showcase machines. We tell the stories they were born to live. And today, the story begins in red. Not just any red, the kind that glows like fire in the dark. The kind that doesn't whisper, but announces itself like thunder. This is the 2026 Cadillac CTS-V, an icon, reborn. A monster, re-engineered. Now with a mind-blowing 2,200 horsepower. It's not just a car anymore, it's a declaration. From the moment it appears, your senses lock in. The deep crimson bodywork reflects every curve of light. The lines are sharper, the stance is lower, the presence is undeniable. It doesn't park, it prowls. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is a hand-built, twin-turbocharged V8. Forged internals, a dual-stage fuel system, performance intercoolers, and track-tuned ECU push it into the realm of hypercars. 0 to 60? Gone in 1.9 seconds. Top speed? Over 260 miles per hour, with enough torque to pull a city sideways. But this isn't just about numbers. It's about what those numbers feel like. Step closer. You hear it breathing. A low volcanic growl. Raw, mechanical, threatening. Rev it, and the sound explodes. Like thunder cracking open the sky. A war cry from Detroit. And then you open the door, and suddenly, you're in a different world. Inside, this car becomes quiet, almost elegant. Black Alcantara wraps the performance seats. Red stitching outlines every edge with surgical precision. Carbon fiber dances across the dash, lit by soft ambient lighting that pulses like a heartbeat. Ahead of you, a full digital cockpit. You don't just see speed, you feel G-forces, power distribution, tire pressure, airflow, live. Grip the flat-bottomed wheel, touch the V-mode button, and the transformation begins. The suspension stiffens. The steering locks in. The exhaust opens fully, letting out that signature CTS-V rage. It's like pressing a switch that says, unleash everything. And everything is exactly what it gives you. This car isn't just fast. It's ferocious. It doesn't respond, it attacks. Every turn feels like you're defying physics. Every straightaway is a shot of adrenaline. And it's all wrapped in the unmistakable Cadillac style. This is American engineering, with a tuxedo and a set of titanium claws. At HowCar USA, we bring you cars that don't just make noise. They make history. And this 2026 CTS-V, it doesn't just push the limit. It tears the limit to pieces, burns it to ash, and leaves it in the rear view. So if you're a true gearhead, if you live for horsepower, design, and soul-stirring performance, then you're already one of us. Subscribe to HowCar USA, because every day, we bring you the machines that define the future. Smash that like button, hit the bell, and share this ride with someone who needs to hear what 2,200 horsepower sounds like. This isn't just a car, it's a force, and the road will never be the same again.